Hello everybody, Darcy Marler here. Most investors look at a property and only see walls and roofs. Developers, we look into the future and we think, what can this lot become? We look at zoning. That's where the real money hides. Here's the crazy part. Hidden in plain sight on your city's maps are clues that can unlock $50,000, $75,000, even $100,000 of extra value on a city lot. But most flippers, wholesalers, or even realtors never see it. Today I'm going to show you 3 zoning secrets that developers use all the time to create huge profits without tenants, long holds, or even swinging a hammer. First, cities don't just think about today, they plan 20, sometimes 30 years ahead. And that's called something like a redevelopment plan, a revitalization plan, or maybe a comprehensive plan, something like that. So what does that mean for you? Well, a property might be zoned for a single family right now, but if the city's plan shows that area as future mixed use or medium density housing, you've just found a gold mine. That mismatch, future plan versus current zoning, is a signal. And when you learn how to recognize it, you're not just buying a lot, you're buying tomorrow's future, tomorrow's upside. Most investors completely miss this. They look at what's there today. Developers look at what the city wants tomorrow. And that gap can easily add 6 figures of value if you know how to leverage it. Second, zoning isn't just about what type of building you can put up, it's about how much you can put there. Here's what I mean by that. Imagine you've got a lot zoned for one single family home. If you can adjust the zoning, or even maybe just apply an existing rule to allow 2 homes or a duplex, you've just vastly increased the income potential of that dirt. That shift from one unit to many instantly makes the land worth a lot more to the next builder or investor. I call this paperwork appreciation. You don't swing a hammer, you don't pour concrete, but on paper, the lot is suddenly worth $50,000 to $100,000 more. Most flippers might spend 6 months renovating a kitchen to not get a fraction of that same profit. Developers who understand zoning can create it in a fraction of that time. And third, overlays. Many cities add special allowances on top of base zoning. Think of things like transit corridors, redevelopment districts, or missing middle housing overlays. These often allow extra height, reduced parking, or additional units. Most investors never even look for these because they're busy thinking about number of doors or bedroom splits. But developers who know where to look can buy a lot that looks average to everybody else and unlock hidden value that multiplies the exit price. It's like playing with cheat codes while everybody else is playing the game straight. So here's the truth. What I just shared with you are the clues, the how-to of actually finding these maps, reading them correctly, and applying them to real deals. That's what I teach inside my programs. So if you stop at this video, you'll know that zoning matters, but you won't know how to use it to actually profit. And that's why I put together a free zoning and entitlement cheat sheet. It'll give you the key terms and triggers to watch out for, so you can start spotting these opportunities in your own city. Grab it for free on the Gumroad link in the description. And if you're ready to go beyond the free tools and actually take action, my 5-day quick start is the next step. In just an hour, spread over 5 days, you'll identify at least one property with real development potential, your first concrete step into development. It's only $27, and it's designed to prove that yes, you can do this without millions in the bank or years of experience. Check the link in the description. So zoning is where the hidden money lives. Most people never learn to see it, but if you do, you'll never look at real estate the same way again. This isn't the next big thing anymore. It's already happening. More and more investors are getting wise to these micro strategies. The window is wide open right now, but it won't stay open forever. Real estate development can be the bridge between where you are now and where you want to be. So let's build something amazing together.